In the building of urban infrastructure, highway surveyors are essential, and Faridabad City is no exception. In order to sustain its booming population and prospering enterprises, Faridabad, an Indian city that is experiencing tremendous growth, needs effective road networks. In the city of Faridabad, highway surveyors are in charge of planning and creating new roadways as well as conducting surveys and evaluations of existing ones. To produce precise maps and plans for the construction or improvement of highways, they gather vital information such as traffic volume, road conditions, and land topography. Highway surveyors in Faridabad City perform more than just data collection. In order to find any problems or difficulties that could develop throughout the construction process, they also examine the information gathered. Highway surveyors verify that the road designs fulfill safety standards and are appropriate for the unique demands of Faridabad City by conducting thorough surveys and utilizing cutting-edge technologies, including SCON 3D modeling software. The design of road signs, sometimes referred to as SCON design, is a crucial component of highway surveys in the city of Faridabad. In order to direct drivers and ensure their safety on the roadways, signage is essential. In order to create successful sign placement methods and create clear and concise signs that effectively inform drivers, highway surveyors collaborate closely with transportation engineers and urban planners. Considerations for SCON design include things like visibility, readability, and comprehension of the signs. To choose the best location for signage, highway surveyors in Faridabad City thoroughly evaluate the traffic flow patterns, speed limits, and road conditions. Aside from that, they make sure the signs are visible at all times, taking into account things like lighting and reflecting materials. The construction of urban infrastructure relies heavily on highway surveyors, and Faridabad City is no exception. Faridabad, an Indian city that is developing quickly, needs effective road networks to serve its growing economy and people. In the city of Faridabad, highway surveyors are in charge of conducting surveys and evaluations of current roads as well as planning and designing brand new motorways. To produce precise maps and plans for the building or improvement of highways, they collect vital information such as traffic volume, road conditions, and land topography. In the city of Faridabad, highway surveyors play more than just the data collection duty. Additionally, they examine the data gathered to find any problems or difficulties that might emerge throughout the construction process. Highway surveyors make sure that the road designs are adequate for Faridabad City's particular demands by conducting thorough surveys and utilizing cutting-edge technologies, such as SCON 3D modeling software. The design of road signs, commonly referred to as SCON design, is a crucial component of highway surveying in Faridabad. For drivers to be guided and to be safe on the roadways, signage is essential.